Hi, this is Bobby at TV Repair with a functionality pro video for a trio of Panasonic boards. We've made a video last Friday about the necessity of fixing the top buffer board after fixing the SC board. I'm searching for a signature somewhere by the customer or a unique marking like this one, or our shipping label, or our quality service label here with a warranty tag, so that the customer knows this is their board. This is a unique signature on the top buffer board, and this is the replaced IC before we cover it. And the lower buffer boards, I believe this is the customer signature, and probably it must be. And this is the TV itself. As you can see, on the replaced IC there are no black lines, no missing rows. Our usual MP3 player at the front screen. As usual, if you end up installing those and have black lines on the screen, we have other videos that show the issue. The problem is those are not plugged evenly and properly all the way in. Notice the little tabs, the little ears at the ending of the cable that comes from the panel. Yeah, it's not very easy to remove it like this, but let me see, that should work. I'm sorry, I'm against the window here and it's not working very well. Anyhow, if you do have black lines after installing those, it is usually, not usually, always, because those are not inserted properly. Notice the little ears that are at the top. That ear up there, it has to go behind. It's better seen here. There. It has to go behind a little plastic blocker on the connector itself, and the same goes for the bottom one. It's kind of hard to install those before you put the boards, while you're gonna have the board hanging, and install all 6 of those and only then flip it backside. Don't flip it, put it to lay on top of the sustain and then screw it and then connect it. This is the best way. Take your time, make sure they're evenly installed. That is all. Best of luck with your repair.